Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Dr.E.Raju from Genius Mind Computer Academy. Today in this video, we'll write a Python program to calculate distance between 2 points. First, let us understand how it is solved mathematically. Assume there are 2 points in x and a y plane. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Given 2 points, let the points be A and B. The coordinates of point A are x1, comma y1. Then the coordinates of point B are x2, y2. So given the coordinates of A and B as x1, y1 and x2, y2, we need to calculate the distance between these 2 points. This is the distance between these 2 points that we need to calculate. So the formula for calculating distance between these 2 points is equals to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, and this entire thing is under the square root of. So this is the formula for calculating distance between 2 points. So that means given the two coordinates of 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2, we need to calculate distance between those 2 points using this formula. So let us write a Python program for this. Open IDE shell. In search, type IDLE and open your IDLE shell. Go to File, click on New File. So this opens a new window. Here you can type the program. So first we'll read the two coordinates of first point. So the two coordinates are x1, comma y1. So map of int, comma input. Here give a message to the user, enter the coordinates of first point. Then split the input by using split function. So friends, if you do not know how to read multiple values from the keyboard using map function, there is a short video in my YouTube channel. First watch that video and then come back to this program. So here this input function reads the two coordinates and split function splits the two coordinates into individual data values, and each value will be mapped into integer type by this map function. Then the first value will be stored in x1, then the second value will be stored in a y1. Similarly, we read the coordinates of second point. So copy paste the same statement. Then ask the user to enter the coordinates of second point, and these becomes x2 and y2. So once you have the 2 points with you, now calculate the distance between those 2 points using the formula. So D equals to x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1 whole to the power 2. So for exponentiation, we have double star x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So double star 2, and this entire thing is under the square root. So that means a square root can be represented as whole to the power of 1 by 2. So that means this entire thing is star star 1 by 2 can be represented as 0.5. So mathematically, whatever we have written, this formula, okay, so this square root will become whole to the power of 1 by 2, whole to the power of 1 by 2, and this 1 by 2 we can write as a 0.5. That means this whole to the power of 0.5 it becomes. Okay, so this is what we have written here. Okay, so then this calculates the distance between the 2 points. Now print the value here using print statement. So the distance between the 2 points equals to double quotes close comma D. Then save your program, click on file, then say save. So use some name, say this is distance. Distance file type is automatically text file Python file type. So save. Then run the program, go to the option run and click on run module, or you can use F5 key also. Click on run the button, then see it asks the user to enter the coordinates of first point. Okay, so let the coordinates, let us take the coordinates of these 2 points. Let us understand. Let the first point coordinates are 3 comma 2. Then the second point coordinates will take as a x coordinate and a y coordinate. Like x is at distance 9, y is at distance 7. So I entered these two values for the 2 points. So first coordinate 3, 2. These are the coordinates, and the second coordinates of second point 9, 7. Then the distance between the 2 points is calculated as 7.8100. So this is how you can even give a negative value also for them. Say run the program again. Enter the first point, say first coordinate -3 comma 2 space or comma you can use. So if you use comma, then inside the split function, you have to use comma in double quotes. So if you don't give anything, then by default, the split separates them by using white space here. Then the second coordinate points are say -7 comma 3. So then the distance between these 2 points is calculated as 4.1231056. So this is how we can calculate by using exponential operator here. So instead of exponentiation operator here, we can use square root function also. So in Python, there is a function called as a square root. Square root function is available, and if you pass the argument something like a here, then it calculates square root of a. This is available in a math module. So you need to import this math module, and you must call this square root function by using this math dot. There is an object called math dot square root. So let us write change our program by using square root function. So first, let me import math module. So then ask the user to enter the two values, then distance between 2 points you can calculate by using this square root function. So SQRT, square root of this entire thing. So here you can remove this double star 0.5. So it becomes x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, square root of. This calculates the distance between the 2 points. This is how you can call the square root function. So now save the program, then run the code. So we'll give the same values 3, 2, first coordinate values, then 9, 7, second coordinate values. Then we got the same answers here, 7.81024. So this is the best way of writing a Python code because there is a function available for calculating square root in Python. So then we must use that function and write the code. Friends, if you like this program and if you have not subscribed, if you are watching this channel first time, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you one and all.